If you have not seen my last video where I told you a whole lot about OMOLE phase 1, please go and check it out. It will really be helpful. Like I said in the last video, properties in this estate are in high demand and this has greatly increased the value of property here. It's a secure estate with 22 hours of power supply. The estate is 14 kilometers to the international airport and 12 kilometers to the local airport. It is 4.3 kilometers to Alausa and 30 kilometers to Victoria Island. To find out more, please watch my previous video on OMOLE phase 1. I'm going to link it at the end of this video and it's also going to be linked.
Hello
in
everyone,
the
welcome back to my channel. My name is Tolu. If you're here for the first time, you're welcome, and if you're my returning subscriber, thank you for coming back again. Today I'm taking you into a luxurious 5-bedroom furnished duplex here in OMOLE phase 1. So if this is what you like to see, sit, relax and enjoy this video, and why don't you take advantage of this right now?
Ante room, guest toilet, you have intercom at different spots in the house, including the gatehouse. This is a very big and neatly finished house. Beautiful long windows everywhere. There are spotlights on the staircase and at the bottom of the wall. There's space to do whatever you like under the staircase. There's a sliding door here, or will I call it a sliding window? A sliding door here, and you can see the pool from here. Imagine you need to keep an eye on your young swimmers. You can still sit around here in the house and watch them conveniently. Spotlights everywhere. Oh, look at this colorful, shiny kitchen. It has a clean feel to it. burner, extractor, your cabinet, oven, microwave oven, two doors. One room BQ attached to the building, and it is en suite. You can have your domestic workers stay here. And this is your store. So I realized I didn't take you to the guest room downstairs. I will show you that later. Please bear with me. The guest room is the room just opposite the kitchen. Family living space. The dry kitchen. You have a good view of the pool from here and part of the compound. You can still keep an eye on your swimmers from here, or when your family is having fun at the pool, you can stand here and still communicate with them. The first room upstairs. It's all very spacious, and this is one unique advantage of this house. Our second room upstairs. we're off to the other rooms. This is Madam's room, like it is called here. Or it could be whatever room you want it to be. And here we have the master's bedroom. This is very spacious. The asking price is 400 million naira. If you're interested in this, quickly reach out to me. My number is right here on the screen. Let me show you the guest room just opposite the kitchen.
Please stay with me. I'm going to take you around the house just to see what it's like before we end this video. I have another one that looks like this. There are slight differences without the pool and the size of the compound. Also, the price is different, so stay tuned for that. I'm going to put that up in probably my next video. It is also in OMOLE phase 1. For more information, you could reach out to me via WhatsApp on the number on your screen.
This is the boys' quarters we saw earlier, storage and the kitchen. So there are CCTV cameras installed all over the house. There's a running tap here. This leads right to the front of the house where we started from. So let's go. Another CCTV camera right in this corner. You can park your car out of the sun right here. This is quite stylish and it goes with the house. So from my observation, you can park about 8 to 10 cars in this compound thereabouts. Wow, it's a big house. So this is our 5-bedroom luxury house in OMOLE phase 1. If you're interested in this, quickly reach out to me. My number is right here on the screen. WhatsApp only, please. Thank you so much for watching. Bye and see you in my next one. Click here to watch the next video.